to you, same picture as yesterday, because we'll still have the same sort of concerns across many parts of the British Isles. The big picture shows two real distinct areas across the British Isles. This great arc of cloud dominating the scene across the northern half is what brought the wet weather, in fact, down in the southwest during the course of last evening. And now following on behind, don't discount these bits and pieces of cloud either, producing some really quite hefty showers in their own right. There, the swirl of cloud and rain gradually working its way a little bit further towards the north, producing some very wet weather this morning across the western side of Wales, now into Scotland and to Northern Ireland. Following on behind, just note the distribution of those showers there, more speckled effect, but as I say, some of them quite sharp in their own right. So for this afternoon, real concerns, severe weather warning, dangerous driving conditions across much of Northern Ireland and across the northern half of Scotland. Further south, I would just remind you that some of these showers in their own right have already produced thunderstorms across parts of the West Midlands, now drifting into the northwest of England. Not all doom and gloom, though, by any means. To the eastern side of the Pennines, Lincolnshire, East Anglia, fewer showers there. And with a wee bit of sunshine, you could see 23 degrees, just above the seasonal average. Now, overnight, same area of cloud and rain still dominating the scene across the north of Scotland, down into Northern Ireland. But just look at this. Another area of low pressure, putting a little bit of a squeeze on through the channel there. So gale force winds perhaps for a time along the Kent coast as it moves on through the Dover Straits. And then the showers just beginning to die away for a time perhaps. But I'm concerned about the persistence of this rain across parts of Scotland down into Northern Ireland. And then over the next couple of days, we'll see further hefty showers down in the south as well. So there could well be some problems there with some localised flooding. Thursday starts off still with that cloud and rain across the north and west. A quieter start in the south once we get rid of that cloud and rain in the southeast, and then come the afternoon, similar sort of pattern to what we've seen in recent days. Fair few showers there just popping up again. You might even hear the odd rumble of thunder. Still that wretched cloud and rain across the north with gale force winds as well. So not particularly pleasant there, 22 in the south. Movement at last on Friday. Having seen all that cloud and rain move to the north, it starts coming back down across the British Isles, but at least it's introducing somewhat brighter conditions from the north underneath that cloud and rain. Well, still very unpleasant, but at least it's